Morning students. In this video, I will be discussing on a very simple topic, that is classification of networks. So we have different types of networks. However, in this video, I am discussing on two major types. One is local area network, the other one is wide area network, and also I am mentioning the list of other different types of networks. Okay. So let's see the first type of network, that is local area network. So a local area network is privately owned and links the devices in a single office, building, or a campus. It is something like a small network which is built for personal use. Maybe the connection between a printer and a system. As I told you, it may be a single office where there are 3 to 4 systems connected together with a single printer or anything else. So a LAN can be as simple as 2 computers and a printer in someone's home office. That's what I told. It depends. It may be a home or it may be an office where they are sharing a single printer with multiple systems. All those comes under the local area network. It can extend throughout a company and include audio and video peripherals also. So the local area network may be as simple as I told you, in a house where there are 2 systems connected with a computer, or it may extend up to a company where there are 1,000 systems connected with various peripherals like audio, video peripherals, as well as printers, warehouses, anything else. But very important is the LAN size is limited to few kilometers. Normally, uh, it is uh, 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 it is seen that it will be less than 2 miles. Okay. So if you take any LAN, so every network is identified with an address. We call it as an IP address. Okay. Because every system should have a unique IP address to communicate among the systems. So this is one small example of a local area network where there are various peripherals, like there is an iMac computer or IBM compatible, there is one server, there is a laptop. So all are connected to a Ethernet LAN. And here also you can see there are a number of systems connected to a hub. So maybe different topologies. You know already what is topology. This is something like a bus topology. Looks like a star topology where there is a centralized device controlled by various LANs, that is bus cables. And this is something like a ring topology. So maybe any topology, but the operation of the network is same. Okay. So these are all related to LAN communication, means there is a wired communication. So these are all some wireless examples where you can see there is a Wi-Fi access point here where a number of devices are accessing or communicating via this access point. And this is one more example. So these local area networks are designed to allow resources to be shared between, as I told you, personal computers, or it may be the workstations. The resources to be shared may be anything. It may be a printer, or it may be any software, or it may be an application, or any information, or any data, anything else. So this LAN will mainly help for sharing the information. So these LANs are mainly distinguished from different types of criteria, like it may be based on the transmission media that you are using, means what type of cables that you are using, like it may be a coaxial cable, it may be an optical fiber cable or twisted pair cable, and what type of topology that you are using, maybe a, as I just shown now, bus topology, star, ring, mesh, anything else. A given LAN will use only one type of transmission media, yes, that is to be decided by you. The most common topologies that we normally use is bus, ring, and star. You can watch my video, which is already uploaded, the different types of topologies. Okay. So normally the speed of these local area networks will vary from 100 to 1000 megabits per second. So this is something about local area networks. And coming to wide area network, it is not something different. Uh, the connection of 2 or more local area networks, we can call it as a wide area network. So we are just extending the LANs. So as I told you, a wide area network is also an interconnection of devices for communication. It provides, as I told you, long distance transmission of data. It may be an image, audio, whatever it may be. A WAN can be as complex as the backbones that connect to the whole internet, as I told, or it may be as simple like a dial-up connection between the telephone lines. So there are different types of WANs like switched WANs, point-to-point WANs. Okay, I will make one more video in depth regarding these switched WANs and the point-to-point WANs. So this is one of the example for wide area networks. You can see this is one local area network, and this is one more local area network. So this is one engineering college. This is one engineering college. So these four colleges are connected together via gateway. We call it as a wide area network. So as I told you, there are different types of networks. However, I am not going to explain all those, but however, I will just list these are all few different types of networks where you can see, and these networks are mainly classified based upon the range, means how much it is going to cover. So it may be the starting small network, we call it as a nano network. Next we have BAN, that is body area network. Mainly they are used in a medical field, all those things where they are fixing the sensors on the body to measure the temperature or anything else in the body. So next we have personal area networks. Okay. Next we have local area network, as I just know. Next we have controlled area networks. Mainly it is used for controlling, like example the driverless cars, where the car should be controlled by someone as per the directions the car is going. Next, we have metropolitan area networks. Next, radio access networks, mainly the satellite, all those things. And lastly, we have a bigger network known as wide area network. So these are all few different types of networks. I will make one more video in depth regarding all these networks. Okay. So hope so you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Bye.